how to transfer from Coinbase wallet to bank account, or how to cash out from Coinbase wallet to bank account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, VPN Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can withdraw from Coinbase wallet to bank account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Coinbase wallet and log into your account. You want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you do so, you'll get these options here. You want to tap on profile and settings option. Once you tap on profile and settings, it'll ask you to add a payment method. Simply tap on add a payment method and select bank account option and add in your bank account. Once you do so, next time you want to go ahead and cash out, you can simply head into your cash options there, or you want to simply head into particular crypto that you wish to sell first. Then go ahead and tap on transfers tab and then tap on sell and then select the crypto that you would like to sell, and on the receipt there on the bank account section you want to enter in your bank details, or since you have already entered in, you want to select your particular bank details that you have added in. And next, after the sale is made, your cash will be transferred directly to your bank account. So this way you can withdraw from Coinbase wallet to bank account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.